All right, guys, we're back again with August newsletter, and I'm excited because August was a great month. We had a lot of sellers get the numbers they were looking for, and a lot of buyers start to get their offers accepted. As activity went down historically, August is one of the slower months in the year. Why? Because people are away on vacation, kids are getting ready to go back to school, so the mentality isn't solely focused on real estate. However, I expect the fall market to be very healthy and to be a very good market for people looking to buy and sell real estate. I'm starting to see inventory increase. I'm also starting to see prices start to stabilize. Sellers aren't throwing numbers out there that are not achievable. They're starting to be more realistic with their numbers. Buyers, you're starting to get your offers accepted. You're starting to be able to negotiate a little more. We're starting to see a more normalized real estate market, which is healthy for us in the fall and should, in my opinion, make for one of the best markets we've seen in a really long time in 2023. When I look at the brokerage is doing awesome. We've got over 240 agents right now. Everyone looking to do the best they can for their clients, helping their clients sell, helping their clients buy. Everything else that we're working on here as a brokerage, as an organization, everything seems to be going in a positive direction. I cannot wait for September, and let's get for a really great fall market and a healthy 2023.